DHS Secretary Kirstjen Nielsen resigns after clashes with Trump on immigration. Department of Homeland Security Secretary Kirstjen Nielsen abruptly resigned Sunday, as the president continues to fume over continued illegal border crossings. CBS News: Nielsen's resignation is effective immediately. Customs and Border Secretary Nielsen's departure is a part of a massive DHS overhaul engineered and directed by top Trump advisor Stephen Miller, according to a senior U.S. official. It's unclear but Nielsen's tenure since she was confirmed in December 2017 has at times been rocky, with the president taking some of his frustrations over illegal immigration out on her. Questions about this. Nielsen's announced exit comes 2 days after Mr. Trump had his nomination for the Immigration and Customs Enforcement ICE director, after originally announcing Ron Vitiello would head ICE. Nielsen's departure, one U.S. official told CBS News, is it unlikely McAleenan would be nominated as Nielsen's permanent replacement. It's unclear whether McAleenan has worked as CBP commissioner since the early days of Mr. Trump's administration, keeping a generally low profile. In in recent days, Mr. Trump has threatened to shut down the U.S.-Mexico border or ram aid in Mexico coming into the U.S. if Mexico and Congress don't fix the situation at the border. Nielsen became known for her eye of the zero. As Major Garrett, Arden Farhi, and Catherine Watson contributed to this report.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Looking up, open the park pot.